you for this exercise because you need more concentration to understand what I say, because I am a Francophone and I will speak in English Francophone. Now, my name is Ngosse. I am from Senegal. I am country coordinator, member of working group, inspector in science education. The title of my communication is Resilience of Low Rainfall in Ferlo and the Contribution of GLOBE Program in Senegal. Our study is the retention basins and climate resilience in Ferlo. You can read on the slide, and I do a short comment. In these islands, call it Ferlo, we have dry climate. We have only, during the year, 3 months rainfall, and 9 months without precipitation. And now we have lack of water in these islands. And in Ferlo, most part of the population are agriculture or breeders. We have a problem now. And what we do, in the rain season, runoff water go to the deep islands, and now with our government, we set up basins retention. And the state of Senegal has undertaken a vast program to develop this water point into retention basins to retain rainfall water for longer during the dry season. This was the case of our hydrology site calling Piterki. And now it's very useful to link hydrology site and the need of the population. What we do with basin Piterki, it's possible to ensure the availability of water throughout the dry season in these islands. And with this water, we can diversify socio-economic activities as market gardening, fish farming, livestock, and the reconstruction of the biodiversity. We can say the construction of retention basin is a great example of climate resilience. Now, what is the contribution of GLOBE program? Of GLOBE program, with GLOBE program in Senegal, in collaboration with another program called Servir West Africa, and a collaboration with our Ministry of Education, we have a platform called WENDOU. What is WENDOU? WENDOU is a platform to give us information to the level of water in the region, in Ferlo. Now, if you click in the link on the application, you see automatically this picture. And you have in red color the localization of the basin of retention in Ferlo. We have many basins of retention. If the color is red, you can read the level of water is under 25% in the basin. If we have yellow color, we have the level between 25 and 75% water. And it is full, greater than 75, you see many water. And we link our platform to satellite. How we share information to the population with the platform? 3 ways. You can go on the platform. if you are internet connection. For the breeder who have not internet, they receive call voice message in their cell phone. They say, attention, in this direction you have water. In this direction you don't have water. If you don't have cell phone, you take a radio station. With radio station, we publish the result. Yes. The purpose of WENDOU, the platform, is to contribute, among other things, to improve the management of the MAR, or basin retention, and the practice of transhumance. The information provided allow breeders to save their time, especially the long distance they travel in search of water, fill it with water to water the livestock. And it is a platform WENDOU. You have many information. You can have graph, you can have data, you can have photo, you can have biomass, all information you need. Now, what we do as with our student? We use Piterki as our study site. And you have here the club of high school, and here you have water with livestock. Now, we use protocol globe to understand the physicochemical characteristic of water. Because with the satellite, we don't have the physicochemical characteristic of water. We learn pH, we learn water pH, we learn temperature, we learn precipitation. And now, we use in our classroom not digital instruments, but we use manual instrument. Manual instrument is very, very useful to improve. Yes. Now, on this table, you see the result of our student. And we see that during the year, during the dry season, the level of water decreases, but the pH is the same, is constant. The pH is also between 6 and 5. Then the temperature is between 20 and 7. And you see that this characteristic is covered by the sign. Yeah. And now our students go to the community to communicate their results. And now, as well as we need resilience to climate change, as well as we need resilience to the teaching of science, and we use our data to promote learning system in classroom. Thank you for your attention. And sorry, 1 minute. I would like to thank GAO for accepting my presentation, and I would like to thank Globe Africa and to thank Ilyas for facilitating everywhere, every day, every moment my communication between Globe. I would like also to thank Buba from Gambia to facilitate my communication in this meeting. I thank everyone. Yes, I say that it's laborious, but you like my presentation. Thank you. Thank you to Simon. Thank you to